be misled. You cannot mock the justice of God. You will always harvest what you plant. Those who live only to satisfy their own sinful nature will harvest decay and death from that sinful nature. But those who live to please the Spirit will harvest everlasting life from the Spirit. So let's not get tired of doing what is good. At just the right time we will reap a harvest of blessing. If we don't give up, they'll fail. We should do good to everyone, especially to those in the family of faith. Therefore, whenever we have the opportunity, we should do good to everyone, especially to those in the family of faith. Kami kata kala nang deno shibun tekas nengi kala jan na markata tongin ya bared no ya kita ki jingle jongka jingdum bat tongin ya ki nam ya kya ka jing sai. Rame ei nano ruuhin reitang ja kapanja jeit para lokhe namar uta uba iet jo uwei pat ula pendep king ja kahukum tongin ja iet dale dona kor kumba haper sakasni ima kijing ja di kiat kemwen pat ha kijing ja pohit ima kijing ja kai ke bai pat ke bai anuti chaklia ima kaba ja mai pat kaba ja behind we should do good to everyone, especially to those in the family of faith. Therefore, whenever we have the opportunity, we should do good to everyone, especially to those in the family of faith. Kami kata kala nang deno shibun tekaski kala jan na markata tongin ya bret no ya ketaki jingle jongka jingdum bat tongin ya ke no ya kya ka jing sai. Ko blejjonga nga petri e shamen Belak jangan naki babe jangan naki jing tala talen ki jing kwa prai Jonki kumat jonka dobat to penem yanga Tera hume Aratana karung Dil se me teri